Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Grid Tracker. Grid Tracker is an indispensable tool for amateur radio operators designed to enhance your digital mode experience. It acts as a central hub, listening to traffic from software like WSJTX and JTDX. This allows you to visualize your radio contacts on a dynamic, interactive map, displaying them by their Maidenhead grid squares. It's a fantastic way to see your global reach in real time. To begin, download and install Grid Tracker on your computer. The next crucial step is configuring your digital mode software, such as WSJTX or JTDX, to communicate with Grid Tracker. You'll need to set up the UDP messaging, typically using an IP address like 127.0.0.1 and specific port numbers, for example, 2237 or 2333. This ensures that Grid Tracker receives all the live decode information, allowing it to display your contacts accurately. Once connected, you can explore Grid Tracker's rich features. The interactive map is highly customizable, offering overlays like gray line, moon position, and real-time award tracking for DXCC or WAS. The call roster provides a streamlined view of live activity, helping you identify new stations or specific CQ calls. You can also configure audio and visual alerts to notify you when rare grids or countries appear, ensuring you never miss a valuable contact. Grid Tracker offers robust logging capabilities. You can easily import existing ADIF log files to populate your map with past contacts or export your current logs. It integrates with popular online logging services such as Logbook of the World, ClubLog, and QRZ.com, simplifying your award tracking. Furthermore, customize the map's appearance with various filters and color coding, for instance, yellow for worked grids and red for confirmed ones, to personalize your operating experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.